This is a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. It's a 150. It's a very it's a salesman's car. It came bare with nothing in it. And it's actually, this car was built for my son, which he will get soon. But right now, it's mine. Okay. I bought the car in pieces. I bought it from a person who was going to make it a race car. And when I got it, I decided to just make it a regular car, back to regular car. And what I did, I took it different places and called different people and talked about what they could do and whatever. We actually started out, my son started out working on it first. Then it got over our heads, so we ended up going to different places. So 055, East Coast Chevy, did all the framework, the body work, the engine, wiring, and all the other. Artistic Designs did the paint, Raphael, and the upholstery was done by Retic Paint. He did all the interior from scratch. Oh, engine's the LS3, got a connected cruise. Transmission is an L465. Has a Ford 9-inch rear with a 370 gears. Let's see what else. Electric windows, all the amenities except for cruise control. Everything else is and electric seats. I didn't go with that, but I could have went with those. The whole suspension was completely redone when they took it off. What's under there now, as far as the exact pieces and parts, I can't tell you. But the brake system has been completely redone. Got the big wheel brakes, front and rear, disc all the way around. Got 12-inch rear tire space, and could actually get maybe a 14-inch tire on the back. It is mini tubbed, so you have that spot there where you can add more tire if need be.